As the world's biggest Harry Potter fan, I can confirm this is an experience you don't want to miss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get too far into this rather short video, just want to say, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button down below, follow us on socials, all that good stuff. And today is going to be a very special video because Jordan over here turns 25 today. Happy birthday, Jordan.
Oh, thanks. Well, since she's driving, I'm going to go ahead and take over this part of the video. We're actually going to be headed to a very special event here in the UK that is all about Harry Potter. So we have donned our Harry Potter attire and are now making our way 3 hours west towards the Forbidden Forest, or at least their rendition of the Forbidden Forest. This limited time event is happening, and we were lucky enough to get some tickets. So before things get too dark, I thought we'd do a little bit of an intro, let you guys know what we're about to experience.
3 hours of driving, absolutely worth it because this already looks like it's a party behind us. I'm super excited to dive on it and see what they've got.
Upon immediately walking into here, there's a giant Patronus just waiting to greet you, and everything around here is beautifully lit and has all the shops and the aesthetics of Harry Potter. And it just reminds you that we're getting close to the holidays of Halloween and Christmas, and all the little shops with souvenirs and hot chocolate and slushies. And I'm ready. This is it. I'm excited. Let's go.
Welcome to Harry Potter, a Forbidden Forest experience. Are we excited? Yeah, I'm loving it. Right, sorry, I'm going to have to ask one more time. Are we excited? Yes, thank you so much. The enthusiasm let out your inner child. I love it. It is amazing. It is a 360 experience, so please take it all in. Oh my gosh, take as many photos as you possibly can. Fill up them camera rolls, people. If you do pop things on social media, make sure to tag us at hashtag HP Forbidden Forest Experience. We'd love to see the photos. It makes us really happy to see you all really happy. Now, as you go around, you should see people dressed in the wonderful attire in which I'm dressed in for you tonight. We should be located underneath one of Hagrid's lanterns that you see around you. If you do see one of us and you've got any questions, got anything to ask about the experience, please come talk to us. That's what we're here for. We're here to make your experience that little bit more magical. Now, it's October. It's getting a bit cold, it's getting spooky season. I love it. It's getting a bit darker as well. I feel like we need to do something with the lights. Do you know what I mean? Do you want to see some magic? Yeah, do you want to see some magic? Yeah, love it. So I am just gonna grab the lights. Just mind your heads, I'm gonna grab those ones as well. I am gonna need some help for this last one, so I'm gonna need a massive countdown from 3. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is much, much better.
Beware of strange creatures in the night. Best not to disturb the forest at this time.
We're only a couple feet in, and oh my gosh, it's already an incredible light show. And you can hear like the sound bits from the movies going the whole time. So cool. This is absolutely incredible. And apparently we need to be on Niffler watch now. Hell yeah.
They put so much production into this, and it's just so pretty that the entire forest is completely Harry Potter dedicated. So for those of you that haven't read the books, there's blast-ended scroots, and it would have been amazing to have them in the movies for just comedic relief for moments when just randomly in the film you would hear. Exactly. We actually just made it to the halfway point. Behind me over there is a simulated duel between Harry and Voldemort, and it's actually kind of cool because when you go over and you grab it, it makes all these like wand power noises. I don't know how to describe it. As well as just right around the corner, there's where you can get butterbeer and just kind of snacks to refresh yourself and continue on with the forest.
I think it's very apparent that the forest started off a little bit more cheerful, and now we're getting into like a darker part of it. A lot more warning signs and lights in the distance, howls from wolves, you know, that kind of thing.
Spiders. Why did it have to be spiders?
Great. Is that you?
Right, well, I will crack on. Thank you so much for joining us here tonight at Harry Potter A Forbidden Forest Experience. We are very lucky to have you, so thank you very much. It wouldn't be right if I sent you guys off into the village without showing you the Illuminator one last time, because it is very magical. So, thank you very much. And behind you as well. And I hope it turns back on because I didn't bring another torch. So, 3, 2, 1. But thank you very much for joining us, and if you want to continue on to where my colleague is standing just down there, we will send you onto the flying bridge.
We are wrapping things up here at Hogsmeade, and they have filled this place to the brim with cool little shops and eateries and just places to warm your blood a little bit, whether that's hot chocolate, alcohol, fish and chips you can get at the Fat Friars, or a roast your own marshmallow station. And the lady said I could come back and dip it in chocolate if I want, and she was not playing around with her dip. This thing is, it's covered in chocolate. What an absolute once-in-a-lifetime experience.
It wasn't bad for only 34 quid.
No, not really.
A portion of the sales go to helping the trees in the forest, and you can actually donate some of your ticket towards a tree. So they've planted about 17,000 trees from this event alone. That's pretty good. The entire experience took us about 3 hours. Now we stopped for photos and just kind of enjoyed the whole thing. But it'd take you about 2 hours if you were just to walk in normally.
Yeah, essentially you just park in the car park, and then you'll just kind of follow the people. They lead you to where you're supposed to be. You can check in, you can get drinks before you go in, however you want to start your experience, and then they gather you up and just do a little pre-talk. And then from there you follow the lights, you follow the trees. It's a pretty clear-cut path. It's not at all spooky. I would say the only thing that would be maybe more sensitive for some people was an Aragog attack, but they give you the option to skip right past that big warning sign saying if you don't like spiders, leave now. But yeah, it was way more interactive than I was expecting it to be. Like, honestly, we've been to some Harry Potter stuff that, you know, it's kind of like one-sided or it's kind of cheesy, and I didn't get that from this at all.
It was really well orchestrated. They put a lot of effort into this, well worth the time and the experience. It's just you have to check it out. You have to come out here.
Any downsides, Jay?
There's quite a bit of mud.
Yeah, a little bit, but they had these like plastic mesh tarp thing. I don't know. It was like tracks for you to walk a little bit more safely on. Kept the mud a bit contained. I would hate to see what it looked like without it, because there were some parts where it was quite slick, but I think it was pretty good. Definitely worth the time, definitely worth the money, and we'll tell you when we in a different video whether or not it was worth the 6-hour car drive between 3 hours to get here and another bit to get back.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Sweet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. All those links down below.
Bye.
Bye.
Mischief managed.